साथ दोस्ती. So firstly you should know that what is book and what is the. Don't mind. May you tell me why we should do friendship with book?
Pilot who was flying their plane
In
that
my opinion, if someone is a beginner, so he must.
Good evening everyone. Today we are here to discuss about the topic दोस्ती, book के साथ दोस्ती. So firstly you should know that what is book and what is the importance of book. So book is the basically need of the human life because it gives us so many knowledge and it gives you the mindset for your goal. So book is very important because so many benefits of reading book, because when you read books, so that time you gain your knowledge and you also get to know about the what is going on in the world, in the country, in your city, and also it gives you the positive thinking which you need mostly. And the other thing is that whenever you read book, so you get another type of answer of your questions and it helps you more and it helps you in your whole life. So if you don't mind, may you tell me why we should do friendship with book and why we should read book? So reading book is very beneficial because by reading books it gives you so many knowledge. Like if I am learning the book of 10th class, so I am reading the So are you agree with me?
Yes, I am agree with you because I have been using books since childhood, and if I didn't use book, then even I don't know what is I, and I have been taking positive things, positive vocabs and etc. What's like good, bad. I know with the help of book what is good, what is bad. Both you have any opinion?
Did you read any book recently?
yes I read a story in my book which name is First Flight. The story name is The Black Aeroplane. In the story there was a pilot who was flying their plane that name is Dakota. That was very
old and their features was very old and it was not working, that was very working slowly, and the pilot was going to London from Paris. He wanted to eat breakfast with his family and his son, and he was lonely in the sky. When he went away, he saw a storm that was very big and there was not any airplane except him. Then he saw his fuels that was very low and it couldn't be fly. Then he saw an airplane and he was lost in the sky. Then he saw an airplane, there was not any light, but that airplane pilot can see him and he saw a hand to the pilot and he understood that he is helping me. Then he started chasing him. When he reached, he saw that he has gone. Then he left his plane and went to the pilot office. Then he asked to a girl that who was that aeroplane. I want to meet him because he helped me. Then I cannot arrive now. Then she started laughing. Then the pilot asked to her that why are you laughing. Then girl told him that there was not any airplane and you was lonely in the sky because I saw in the machine there was only your airplane. Then the
pilot understood that that was his imagination. Moral of the story: good positive thinking can save your life. Now may I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
How can any beginner learn English from book?
In my opinion, if someone is a beginner, so he must read junior classes book, and firstly he should try to translate Hindi to English. Then, if he learn how to translate, then he change the book and try to translate English to Hindi. It will increase his vocabularies and his speaking knowledge.
Thank you for listening to us so patiently.